Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to generate a video with Google Gemini and with Veo 3. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Gemini, open it, and after that go and click on create video. And after that, describe your video. For example, I will tell him a man with a suit running on the beach and holding a watermelon, and click send. And now Veo 3 is creating our video. It will take for sure like few seconds. And as you can see, it tells us that generating this video can take from 1 to 2 minutes. And as you can see, our video is ready, and you can download that video and use it in your projects or use it in whatever thing that you want to use it on. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.